Hi everybody, my name is Michael King and I have the pleasure and honor of being the moderator of Jay Abraham's Brain Trust Forum, and wanted to thank you for taking a couple minutes with me and just kind of learning and discovering what exactly is the forum. And what I wanted to do today on this video is to talk to you about three things. Number one, what is the purpose of this forum? What are some of the things that you can be expecting from the forum? Number two, what are three actions that you can take as a new member, or even as someone who's kind of been a member of the forum but haven't done a lot of activity with it? What are three actions that you can take today to be able to kind of get yourself to being more active and getting more from this forum? Number three, what are some keys to your success in being able to use this forum? So I wanted to kick off first off and say, what are we doing in this forum? Well, number one, we're going to be providing you with a platform that really helps to drive your success through applying Jay's principles. That's probably the biggest key for anything that I can tell you, is that to be successful in life and in business, you have to apply the things that you learn. And that's what my aim and my hope is that you can come to this forum and everybody kind of working in a spirit of harmony. We all can be able to support each other and prop each other up in applying and learning from each other, sort of what are the effective using Jay strategies. Number two, just networking, and already just being able to meet some just outstanding people that are in this forum. There's a lot of high-level executives, entrepreneurs, CEOs of different companies. I highly encourage you, not only just to connect with each other in the forum, but also on other social media platforms, whether, LinkedIn is probably the best one that we can do. I think it's just a great opportunity for us to kind of work with people of like mind. Number three, brainstorming Q&A. For me, it's just, if you're having some issues or challenges or even opportunities that you have in your business and you really want to be able to kind of calibrate or get some feedback from other people, this is the place to do it. If you want to get input on, perhaps it's, what are some JV opportunities you wanted to kind of test the waters with some of the other people and see if they have any sort of experience in that. If it's headlines that you wanted to be able to get some help with, copywriting, whatever it is, I highly suggest that you start a thread, ask for feedback. I'm going to be very active with anybody that's active on the forum, and really trying to keep the conversation going and to get you the outcomes that you want in your business. With respect to Google Hangouts or whatever the technological platform that we use is, my outcome is to, I would say, twice a month, to be able to have a call it a Google Hangout, if you will, where we're going to be able to have a chance to kind of chat about different issues and a live sort of opportunity for us, a live forum, if you will. So that way we can have a chance just to connect rather than just in the forum when we're writing. We can actually be able to do it using our voices, if you will. So I think that's going to be a really exciting opportunity for us, and I'd love to get some feedback for people as if we're going to be doing sort of a live training or a live opportunity for us to connect with each other. What are some of the topics or things that we'd like to talk about? Next up is the Ask Jay opportunity. This is one that we got a lot of really good input on the first time we did it, and we're going to be launching it the next round, if you will, in the next week or two. Essentially what it is that if you've got something going on in your business, some challenge, some sort of opportunity, whatever it is, and you'd love to ask Jay Abraham one question, what would that be? And when I send this out within the next week or two, I'd love for you to be able to just take the time and articulate that as specific and as detailed as you can to make it as easy for Jay to be able to provide you with the best answer. And the one caveat I would say to that is make the question able to serve as many people as possible. Those are the ones that we're going to be able to choose. So we're going to choose 10 questions for Jay Abraham to do a video on. And if you want to take a look at the first round that Jay did, there is a YouTube video up. And then finally, it's just to gain exclusive access from Jay. And so some of his newer training or videos or audios or whatever it is, white papers that have not been released to the general public, I wanted to give a lot of that stuff directly to the forum members first, to give them the first opportunity to use this awesome stuff. So you're going to find that this is probably going to be one of the most impactful things that you ever do, as long as you are able to commit to yourself to take constant action on the things that you're doing and to come into the forum regularly. Now, next up, what are some 3 actions that you can be able to take today? Well, first off, it's just go on and post a comment to a thread. There's a lot of different conversations that are going on, and if you don't see one that you would like to start, let me know, and I'll be able to kind of just get the ball rolling in that aspect. But post a comment on a thread. Number 2, start a thread. If you wanted to start a conversation and ask some feedback about some issue you're having in your business, that's the second thing I would do. And then number 3 is to go on there, click on update your profile, add your picture, put your website up. Just make it easier for people who want to kind of learn more about what you're doing in case there's a potential opportunity for doing some business together or just to support each other. Write down as much information about yourself that you want in your profile. It's super easy. Just go to the top up right corner there. You should be able to see your name and manage your profile at that point. And then finally, what are some keys to your success? Well, as I've alluded to earlier in this video, you got to be active. You have to go on regularly. As with anything in life, it's the habit. It's what are you doing consistently on a day-to-day basis to be able to kind of move that trajectory of your business and move that trajectory of your life in the right direction. So if you want to get a lot out of this form, you got to be active. You have to be going on and regularly using it. And number 2, is really kind of just adopting the whole strategy of preeminence, which is just giving as much as you can to others, trying to serve as much as possible. Because if you go on looking for how you can get something out of this, it's not going to be anywhere near as effective as giving to other people first. You're going to get it back from them in spades. So I highly advocate us really adapting and adopting the strategy of preeminence in this form. And number 3 is just provide feedback. If you've got something that you really want to be able to if you have something that you really want the forum to do, or if you have a direction that you'd like us to head, please let me know. I'm very open to feedback. I'm very open to kind of, like Jay always says, just kind of moving with where what the needs are of the group. And so I really hope that you found this video to be useful, and I'm really excited to have an opportunity to get to know you and your business and see how I can help you. Thank you.